Hello dear students and parents. A warm welcome back to the D.Y. Patil University School of Hospitality and Tourism Studies. The ongoing pandemic has taught us a lot. It has transformed our lifestyle and has urged all of us to practice the new normal. A lot of you may be skeptical whether to send your child to college or not. Being a mother myself, I completely understand. My name is Professor Aarti Panderkar and I am here to assure all of you that the safety of your child inside the college campus is our responsibility. D.Y. Patil University School of Hospitality and Tourism Studies has always been on the forefront for incorporating changes and ensuring a congenial, conducive and safe environment for all its students. At the gate of our premises, we have built a facility in which you will undergo temperature checks and registration will be done by checking your identity card. At the entrance of the college, we have provided sanitizer to sanitize your hand, gloves and mask will be provided at the counter. On your first day, face shield will be given to each student which you have to wear throughout the day. You have to carry this face shield with you daily. As you enter the premises, your footwear will be sanitized with a solution placed on the premises. Each classroom will accommodate only 30 students with strict social distancing. Your faculties will also wear masks and face shields while taking your lectures. You will have access to hand wash in the kitchens . For your practical sessions, social distancing norms will be followed. Chefs will wear masks and gloves while taking practical sessions. The students will wear masks, face shields. There will also be a hand sanitizer along with the gloves that have to be worn at all times inside the kitchen. Hand wash and sanitizers will be installed in all common areas so that students or staff can sanitize their hands at any given point of time. All of our faculties and staff will be wearing masks, gloves and face shields on campus to ensure safety and well-being of all of us. Our well-experienced chefs ensure that social distancing norms are followed throughout the practicals. We ensure only 30 students are allowed per practical and per theory class. It is not only our kitchen practicals but also our food media practicals where emphasis is given on following social distancing norms. Our well-experienced faculties ensure that there is utmost safety and security of all the students who are attending the practical. We advise you to carry your own drinking water from home. However, safe drinking water is available on the campus. Marking of queuing is done near water coolers, keeping all social distancing norms in mind. Tables will be divided with separators to ensure safe distance between students. Social distancing and safety measures will be implemented even while using the washrooms. A guard will be deployed outside each washroom and will let only 4 students to enter the washroom at a given point of time. At the end of the day, after all classes are over, the entire premises will be thoroughly sanitized. We have taken all the required measures for your safety, and we assure you that your return to the campus will be completely safe. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe. See you at the campus soon.